Hello everybody, Speedrun here once again, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to buy MasterBOT token in Binance. If you're going to markets, and this means on the exchange, and you search for MasterBOT token, nothing show up as well. Even just by writing bot, nothing show up. Differently from Solana, for example, you can just come here and buy directly on the exchange. Now you will need to have in your assets some Solana, because we are going to buy this directly in Binance Wallet, which is very convenient as you don't need to open account in different exchanges to get just to this token. And we are in the early moment where the token nearly just born, so we want to make sure we grab these gems earlier, and you can actually do that in Binance. First, watch this video on how to transfer your Solana to your wallet address. You're going to trade DEX. Right here you can access your wallet. Now we have this chain, which is by default on the first place here. And we want to change the BNB chain to Solana, where we're going to buy our token. If I go to my portfolio over here, you can see that I already have some tokens. However, to purchase, I will need more Solana than just this. It's not enough. So I'm going to deposit some more and transfer from my Binance Exchange. Right here, I'll complete this step. So I can go to Binance Exchange and automatically gonna fill my information. Right here, I'm going to paste 0.5, which is the amount of Solana I will change. There is a fee of 0.001, which is a very affordable fee, and I can just click withdraw. Now I need to fill some information, so let's go ahead. So continue, next. So now I need to put the PIN from my mobile, and then I need to create a PIN for my desktop. Okay, confirm. So now I'm waiting approval for the withdrawal. Okay, so it's processing over here. Let's give a little time. So I received it on my phone, that has been received. What I can do now is to go to my assets, go back to the wallet. Let's check. And over here, I can see that I already received. So now I can go ahead and purchase the token of my wish using Solana. Now that I have received the Solana into my wallet address, I can go ahead and purchase the token of my wish. Right now, I'm going to show you how to buy the BOT token. So for that, you need to go to the official website of the token that you're looking for, in this case MasterBOT. And if I click right here on the token, I can locate the contract address, and that's very important, so we make sure we are not buying some fake. As well, in Coingecko, which is a website that I like to use, if you compare this number and these letters, it's just a perfect match for here, this contract address. Okay, now how can we search for this token if we are new to it and still don't have it? You can actually write bot, and you can see 63 BPNC. So if you go to their website, you can see that this match, and let's make sure ZVE bot is also match. ZVE bot, so everything match perfectly. CVE bot. Yes, that's correct. So this is the original one. Now we can also compare the price over here. So I'm using this currency. You might see a different price in your side, of course. So make sure everything matches. And now I can go ahead and buy. I need to set an amount, and I can, for example, buy 0.2 Solana, which will give me this amount of tokens, which is a lot because the market price is still very small. So I click here, and then it's gonna be around 40 US, which it's behind my avatar. However, I can now click on that, and transaction complete. So I have got more bots. If I go to my portfolio now, I can see the amount of bot has increased. So now I have about 88 US. Nice. Now let's go to the mobile version on how to do that same thing. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's now learn how to transfer your Solana token to your wallet address. I'm going on the icon on the top left and switch to Binance Lite, which I prefer to use. And make sure in your portfolio on the bottom right, it's actually having some Solana. You will need that for sure. Now, I'm going to markets and then the Binance icon on the top left. Now I'm going to Binance Wallet right here. Now I'm going to click Receive, Transfer from Binance Exchange, and clicking Solana. Now there's a BNB chain. I'm going to choose Solana chain. Continue. Now I'm going to add how many Solana I want. So I'm going to transfer max, and I'm going to click transfer, confirm. Now I'll give a little bit of time. And now withdraw is processing. Usually take 1 minute or less. So at the moment I have $5 in Solana. Let's wait for the confirmation, and seems like I received it. I'm going to update, and there we are. Now I have 0.52. Right now I can go ahead and buy the tokens of my wish. To buy bot, I'm going into market, and then I'm searching for bot token. Right now I know the second one is the legit because I know the address is like that, and I can go ahead and trade. Right here I have option to trade. So I'm going to switch, and then here I can add the amount that I want, for example, 0.1, which is $20, and I'm gonna receive 665 bot tokens. And I'm going ahead and click swap. You can use the MAV protection if you're actually using a large amount of transaction to confirm that you will receive for sure your tokens. You can read that on your own. And now it's processing, and seems like completed. So now I have received my bot tokens. Thank you for watching. If this content was useful, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.